morning, students. Let us continue with chapter number 4, question number 12. A plus AR square plus so on plus AR its power is n minus 1. This is equal to A into R its power is n minus 1 upon R minus 1, where n is a natural number. So let us come with the solution. Here is the step number 1, that is n as equal to 1. So P of 1, this is A, this is equal to n, we will put in the right hand side, A into R, its power is 1 minus 1 upon R minus 1. So it will come as A as equal to A, means left hand side as equal to right hand side, or therefore we can say that P of 1 is true for n that is equal to 1. Here we will write P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This is your step number 1. Come with step number 2. N that is equal to k. Let P of k is true for n that is equal to k. We can write it as P of k AR square plus so on. At the place of n we will write k now, AR k minus 1. This is equal to A into R, its power is k minus 1 upon R minus 1. So let us come with step number 3, students. That is n as equal to k plus 1. So we can say that P of k plus 1, this is AR square plus so on plus AR power is k minus 1 plus AR. Now we will make this k as k plus 1, so it will come as k. This is equal to A into R, its power is k plus 1 minus 1 upon R minus 1. So then we will solve this left hand side and we will make it as equal to right hand side. So let us take the left hand side. We are using the step number 2. Step number 2 is A into R, its power is k minus 1 upon R minus 1 plus AR, its power is k. So then here we are taking the LCM. LCM is R minus 1. It is A into R, its power is k minus 1 plus this is AR into R minus 1. Now here it is AR, its power is k. Now we will solve it. So here what we can say, students, this is A into R, its power is k minus 1 plus AR, its power is k. While you will multiply here by R, so it will come as k plus 1 minus AR, its power is k upon R minus 1. Student, here A is common in all. There is inside A, its power is k minus 1 plus R, its power is k plus 1 minus, here it is R, its power is k upon R minus 1. We can cancel it. It will come as A into R, its power is k plus 1 minus 1 upon R minus 1. If you will see, students, this is your right hand side, this is your left hand side. So we can say that left hand side as equal to right hand side. Therefore P of k plus 1 is true for n that is equal to k plus 1. So this is the solution of question number 12. Here is the question number 13. 1 plus 3 upon 1 into 1 plus 5 upon 4 into 1 plus 7 upon 9, so on, 1 plus 2n plus 1 upon n square. This is equal to n plus 1 its whole square. So let us come, students. Here is the step number 1, that is n is equal to 1. So p of 1 plus 3 upon 1, this is equal to, we will put here 1, it will come as 1 plus 1 its square. On solving, left hand side will come as equal to right hand side, or therefore p of n is true for n is equal to 1. Come with step number 2, students. That is n as equal to k. So let p of k is true for n that is equal to k. So p of k, 1 plus 3 upon 1, 1 plus 5 upon 4, 1 plus 7 by 9, and so on. 1 plus, here it is now 2k plus 1 upon k square. This is equal to k plus 1 its whole square. So this is our second step, students. Come with step number 3, that is n as equal to k plus 1. So here it is p of k plus 1. Now student, what we are doing here, we are making k as k plus 1. So here is 1 by 7 by 9 plus so on, 1 plus, this is 2k plus 1 upon k square, and now 1 plus, we will make this 2k as k plus 1, so it will come as 2k plus 2, so it will totally come as 2k plus 3 upon k plus 1 its square. This is equal to k plus 2 its square. This is k, we will make it as k plus 1, so it will come as k plus 2 its square. So this is your right hand side, students. We have to solve this left hand side. Exactly it will come as equal to right hand side. We are using the step number 2. Here we can see, students, we will use the step number 2 and we will put this value here. This is k plus 1 its square into, here it is now 1 plus 2k plus 3 upon k plus 1 its square, students. Now what we are doing here, I am taking the LCM, this is k plus 1 its square, it will come as k plus 1 its square plus 2k plus 3 upon k plus 1 its square. So now students, very easily we can solve it by solving, it will come as equal to right hand side. So let us see, this is equal to, we can cancel it. So from here it will come as k square plus 1 plus 2k plus 2k plus 3 upon, there is nothing in the denominator now, so it will come as k square plus 4k plus 4, or student, this is k plus 2 its whole square. Now once again you check it, your left hand side that I have solved here, your right hand side, both are same. So therefore left hand side that is equal to right hand side, or we can say that p of k plus 1 is true for n that is equal to k plus 1. So this is the solution of question number 13. You students try to solve the question number 14 yourself. Very easily you can do that question by the same way.